the show. And I got a doozy for you, and I'm not talking about pots and pans. Okay, I have the most extraordinary, legendary Blow Dryer 3000. Yes, this isn't like any other blow dryer that you've seen. I have right here the concentrated nozzle, the comb attachment, and the curl diffuser. You know the curls? Curls are for the girls. Yeah, so now I'm gonna get a person from the studio audience to come and try it out. The special ingredient that I've been saving towards the end. You, sir! Studio, yeah, come on up! What's your name, sir? My name's Carlito, man. Save the best for last. The special powers of this blower, it grows actual hair. Yes, it grows. You've seen it in the studio audience. There's no camera photography, anything that look no strings attached. And if you act now, only 72 payments of $6.99. Yes! 72 payments only. We take credit cards, food stamps, or any type of cash. Just come on out, call us, we're waiting for you. Yeah!